Bom, awak nasi time back. Awak tem um update novo de GTA. Tá durando 1000 anos para sair um update novo, mano. Mas tem me diga dentro da fã aqui. Vai aqui tem. Clique di website aqui. Ele tem 4 dias aqui. Awak me deu aqui sini mais barato. Sei da não. Não. Bom, essa aqui da sini mais barato, não sei comprar ele. Não, muito, não, me tinha cena, cena acaba com bike lá. Awak me diga bola batin nang. Lang jam me oppressor baby. Bang now. Oh, look at the building. Nice, nice, nice. Okay, bang ke bawah. Okay, cutscene.
Hey,
Okay.
just hold it for a second, please.
Okay, bang. Okay, bang. Okay. See, who's the lafang? Mister?
Boss, you got a visitor.
Boss. Okay.
Oh, yeah.
Tami there, boss.
See what it is. Okay. Sorry about that. I didn't know who you were.
¿Qué bueno
I won't
sa
make that
kimita?
mistake again.
No. Misa sa kimita.
Just
Ikaw
in
nangi. Era, what's your
Hey.
Oh, the Franklin.
So what you think about all this?
The guy better be you.
We looking good, right? Look, this is our business. You feel me? You put the bread down, shit, you own it. I'm the manager. Franklin Clinton, dog. And that over there is my old ass homie Chop. Shit, he don't get around too much no more. Man, everybody I asked about setting this thing up, they all pointed straight at you.
Dime no. Dami tayo professional, dime.
Shit, I'm a hustler that made it big. Big house, nice cars, a family, and everything. Damn,
So.
man. I miss getting these fucking hands dirty.
Che,
From
tawa
what I
man.
hear, you ain't got that problem. You doing your own shit, and I like that. Hey, look, come walk with me.
Dami ka
Show you
nakuha.
something.
Siwa man.
Down the streets, I know real good, cause that's where I'm from. But now I work with rich folk who got rich folk problems and no fucking idea how to deal with them. You know,
Misa.
kid might stole the
Mo nga
car,
pa bo,
or
misa.
they might owe money to the wrong fucking people. Or their wife might be screwing the tennis coach.
Whoa.
Guess what? My homies can help them with all that. Now this is your office. I'm gonna get all these jobs for us, and they gonna show up on this computer right here. It'll be
Wow.
small fry at first, but one big client, man. One A-list name. And we straight.
Hey, that's our hacker right there, your mom. She works up on the operation floor where all the high-tech shit at.
Esconde. Hello.
Hey, Bonnie.
Man, these kids, man.
Knock, my politically incorrect
the Lamar.
racial epithets. What that shit do?
What are you doing here, Lamar?
Now the question is, what are you doing here? Is that who
Kung siya
brought
namin.
him with you? Why you didn't tell me? I'm the one who called that pimp, put him up on everything, dog. And you motherfuckers got the nerve to cut me out?
You
Well, I
mean
got 2 words for y'all. Finders, motherfucking feet. That's right, I'ma sue y'all ass. Matter of fact, I'm gonna blast y'all asses out on Snapmatic. Put my phone
Man,
on.
hold on, dog. Man, I was gonna look out for you. Chill out, all right? Shit, I got something here. Dog, come on.
Nah, put that shit away. I'm part of San Andreas' budding cannabis scene. I remember this dude when he was broke as fuck.
Ah,
Could barely get a
me.
motherfucking coach seat. Now all of a sudden,
No.
he breaks in the cockpit with the captain. Look at you. And you, I ain't even finna go in on your dog ass, cause you know what's happening. But I ain't tripping. Cause now, it's LD's turn to come up.
That was.
How's that for a
Whoa.
Okay, I see you. Get some good shit.
You damn straight. That's that paya.
All right. Hey, you get going on those. I'll be in my office, all right?
Right. Who was that badass love fist looking bitch? I mean, nice young lady with the profitable posterior right there.
Nigga, that's Imani. That's Pearly, nigga, the homegirl's daughter. She handle all our hacker type shit.
That's Pearly daughter. I should have known. She hacking this shit too? I didn't even know they had a computer. Damn, I feel old.
What
Tell
that?
me
Oh,
about it. You get going on those jobs. I'm gonna go work on this big client for us, all right?
Wait. You mean big client like Tony McTony? Come on, man. Tell me you got Tony McTony. See if Tony McTony will post my weed on his page, man. You got me, Frank? Come on, man.
Whatever I got going, man, you got going. So I'm gonna look out for you. Hey, I'll be in my office. You keep doing what you're doing.
Man, he be lying like a motherfucker. Anyway, though, now look at you. You feel like somebody now, huh?
no.
You OG now. Your nuts is almost big as mine.
Ah, 2017.
What they
Igual
want?
de ayer.
Not at all.
Sí. Hello game chat, kung bakit tuwing nagiling ko sa nabang. Ok, aqui dentro nice aqui. Não, aqui tem mission base aqui dentro. Aqui no lugar aqui. Eu agora no computer. Tem morrer.
Hey, boss.
Me dê boss. Aqui me dinga ó. So nossa aqui dinga sa. Daí vai above. Daí vai é computer assim me tem mission base, né, ba?
Hey, what's up? I
What's
got you
up,
on this
man?
communicator thing, and I can see what your ass doing on the screen. So
Yeah.
no creepy shit, alright? Now, like I said before, I'm a hustler who made it. I got in with a crew of dudes with some real experience. They taught me how to operate on a serious level. No more hood shit for me, you know what I'm saying? That's why we got it set up like this. Hey, look, click on the security contract page and check that shit out.
The hell? Me sa yun ko
Hey,
lagi.
so look, these the jobs we got right now. After the guys showed me how to make moves, we pulled a big ass scope, and I cashed out. I was making investments, you know, other plays and doing real good, but none of that shit hit right. And then I figured I should use my motherfucking street knowledge with these contacts.
See,
And
Frank.
that's the business right there. I'm a fixer to the rich and famous, but you can only go so far alone, you know what I'm saying? So I needed a grade A partner with grade A capital and grade A skills. Someone to help me turn my hustle into a major operation. So here we are. These clients ain't exactly A-list, but now that we working together, shit, it won't be long before we get some of those. But look, for now, the work is robberies, recoveries, assassinations, rescues, and all that shit, you know what I'm saying? Once you find a job you like, select it here. Then Imani and me will start moving on our side. And hey, I appreciate you want to keep a low profile. That's why my name is on the door, and I'm the face of this shit. Know what I'm saying? So I'm working the contacts and you moving in the streets. Some of these can be real tricky,
Oh, the
homie,
OP.
but I'll let you know. And I'll make sure the fucking payout is worth it. Sounds good?
See, sound good.
Alright,
Sound
well,
good.
I'll get working on the A-list catch. Somebody who will put us on the damn map. Hey, I wish I could get that girl on the billboard. Rosalia. But shit, man, I don't think her ass in enough trouble right now to need us.
Pamalo, minute sabi cut kami na fragment ba menjala ka bosan software ko. Kaya the available contract change para blah 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 min dili so yun ko na. Bon, let's do this. Okay, min gas, min din helicopter, min gas.
Hey,
Kaya,
you know the Duggins?
see,
Man, ain't nothing like that good old family money, huh?
mi sa
Thought
but
they
this
come to little old us for help. Man, they got shit all over LS. But today, we're talking about that place in Marlow Vineyards. They must have pissed somebody off because their shipment keep getting clipped. And they afraid that the vineyard is the next target. Look, get up
talaga
there,
ni.
make sure nobody puts a hole in them fucking barrels.
Bom. Aqui me deu helicopter ne OG, mas nem tempo né, usa OG, me deu meu oppressor na, vai que eu bendei ba né, na OG. Me deu cara casa aqui. Me gasi até, me deu lá. Sério? Tem ganhar kita tira. Take down enemies, carrying blah blah blah. Quando isso anda me mission na kita obi fácil. Tira só me tenho tira ainda mata. Me tem backup também. Aqui. Aqui mission laugh aqui. Na adora, I know you. Me tem que tirar ainda tá claro. Me tem que sentar hora 6 minutos. Eu que só me tem que assim. Oh, kamaka. Ayo. Mission kita masuk laugh means jadi bosan sa no update we ka tira bosan GTA 4. Tu ko bosan GTA wa ke GTA kirbe DVD no ma warde ora GTA 6 sa le bosan we ke bero horrible mission masuk fácil means. Mission masuk laugh tambe. Please subscribe, like mi video e bosan dai un cookie, okay? Bom, kiss.